Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change a password on Sanppa. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in sanppa.com. After that, make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now, click on My Account drop down at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Account Settings option. Here, you need to type in your new password. Type the new password for a Sanppa account and click on Save Changes button. Now type in your current password on this field and click on Submit button. And that is how you can change your password on Sanppa. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.